Up on the bench is an Akai GX 265D. It's a glass head reel-to-reel tape from, I believe, 1982. It's in 80s for sure. I'm not sure if it's 82 or 85. Anyway, it's in pretty decent cosmetic shape. No scratches, no dents, nothing on it. Pretty clean. Um, I got it from eBay as a local pickup. I got it at a very good price, and basically the seller told me that he's selling it for parts, and it does power up and it plays according to him, and all functions work. The only complaint is that the output from the headphones, he just tested it with the headphones, is very, very low, and the VU meters hardly move. Um, I have to see what's going on with this machine. More than likely, maybe that tape heads are dirty. These heads get dirty pretty fast, considering that these are glass heads and they scrape off the tape much more than the regular metal head. Um, I'll have to also clean all the switches, especially the head direction switch. There is a switch here behind the heads which changes direction depending on which direction you are playing, whether you're playing forward or in the reverse mode. um, this is, I believe, a 6 head machine or a 4 head machine. In any case, I'll have to clean up the switches and parts, and especially the output part. um, and eventually I'll have to disassemble everything and clean up all the old grease and lube it up. um, let's see how it turns out. For the time being, I'm gonna stop here. I will start the video again after I clean the heads, and I'll give it a try. And the further sections of the videos will be about actual disassembly and lubrication and servicing of the unit. Stay tuned.